Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, February 24th, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 32 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had gap down again in the overnight session this morning, and we had the news come out at 8:30, and we had one of our pre-market gap trade setups, and that did signal and go targets 1 and targets 2 for 14 ticks. And then we continued to push higher, and we actually opened up real close to where we closed yesterday. You can see we basically were off by a point and a half or two. We quickly filled our full gap and half gap and was just kind of meandering sideways, kind of came down through our moving average after the 10 o'clock news, and gave us a false signal to get short. Unfortunately for us, that was a full stop out, T0 minus 14 on that, but the subsequent trade ended up providing that on that stop out, that fast up move provided an opportunity to get long, and we did get our target 1 off. Now what we do, we actually adjust our stops after we take our first position, and in this case we adjust and we got hit to the tick, so we ended up with a T1 minus 2 on this trade using the tightest stop parameters, only to watch this trade actually go on and what would have been our T2 profit. So unfortunate on that one, you know, getting stopped out to the tick like that, especially when it was behind the previous day's close. But you know, that's trading. We have to have stops that protects you in the long run. So unfortunately for that one, T1 minus 2 came back down through our moving average. This one we picked up some speed. Again, you can see we had a quick move off of the after the profit taking there. Ended up with a signal to get short that produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks. As we went into the 10:45 confirmation time, they bounced it at that level. Not enough to give us a signal long, but enough to consolidate us sideways. We continue to push down into the 11:15-11 reversal time frame, found a temporary bottom, came up through our moving average, and did not get a signal to get long until the dead zone. And we do not initiate any new trades in the dead zone, so we just let that one go by, and that would have actually been a stop out anyway, so it's a good thing that that was in the dead zone. And we wait till 1:15 to get started again. So 11:30 to 1:15, the red arrow on the chart, we don't initiate any new trades, but after 1:15 it's fair game. We actually had a signal to the downside, kind of meandered sideways there. We were able to get reduced risk, and it looked like it was just going to sit there, and then ultimately it finally broke loose. T1 and T2 for 13 ticks to the downside as we pushed down towards the Globex low, and we actually came through that Globex low a bit. And there was actually, if you were watching any type of time-based chart with a volume candle, you could see we had what we call a high volume flush here. You see this V pattern that coincided with a high volume candle that that created kind of a hammer pattern, if you will, on a 5-minute chart, and that set us up into an extension long. And you can see just the speed of this move, an extension long, and that ended up taking targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 10 ticks, and then that was the last trade of the day. So again, because we stopped trading as we move into the 3 o'clock hour. So all in all, great day. Even with the unfortunate stop out through the tick there, we still ended up with 6 trades for 32 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.